Yes, welcome to my video converting Infix to PostFix. A brief few things first. So first and foremost, Infix is like what we're used to, like A plus B, like the operator is present between the operands. PostFix is the operator is present after the operands. So it'd be like A, B plus or A, B minus or whatever. Operands are like, X, Y, Z, A or whatever. Operators are like plus, minus, divide, exponent, stuff like that. So anyway, I'm gonna briefly do a conversion of this infix expression here to postfix. So we're gonna convert this to postfix. This is my unique expression. So let's go ahead and do it. Here's my little chart here. Let's get it cracking. So first we're gonna start with A, and there's a few rules to note as well. I'll run through those rules as I go. So now we have A is our current token. So we'll go ahead and put A in our little chart here. So click this. So there's our A, and our stack isn't going to get anything because we only want to put operators on our stack. So there's no operator right now. It's just the current token A. So the output just turns to the stack is empty, and output is going to become A. Now the next token is this multiplication that we have here. So we're going to put that on our current token, and now the stack has a multiplication, and now the output is going to remain A. We're not going to pop this multiplication off the stack just yet. So now the next thing we have is this open parentheses. I'm going to put that on the current token. The stack now has multiplication and then parentheses, and this is fine because the precedence or priority level accepts this. So this is no issues here. Let's keep going. So now we still have A on our output. The next token is going to be a B, and B does not go on our stack, but these two tokens do remain. So we have multiplication, open parentheses. Now we have AB as the output. Next we have a minus. So the stack now has multiplication, parentheses, and a minus, and we're going to go ahead and same output. Next we have a C. We're going to go ahead and push that on through. Now we have ABC over here. Now the next thing we have is a closed parentheses. Okay, here's where it gets interesting. So one of our rules is when you have open parentheses and a closed parentheses, you have to pop everything off the stack in between those open and closed parentheses. In this case, it would be just a minus. So we're going to pop that minus off the stack. So the minus should appear here after ABC here. So now all we have on our stack is multiplication because we had to pop off the parentheses and the minus. So now we have A, B, C, minus. Next on our stack should be a caret or exponent, which is the highest precedence. Okay, something else interesting happens here as well because we can't have two operators of the same precedence on the stack at once, but because the caret is higher than the multiplication, we could put both of them on the stack. So we're good to go here. So we're going to put both of those on the stack, good to go. And then next we're going to have ABC minus still. Next we have a D. So we're going to put a D as the current token. Stack remains the same. And now we have ABC and minus D because we're going to pass this D to our output. Boom, there goes our D. The next thing we have here is division. Now this is interesting because division is of a lower precedence than the caret. So division cannot go in the stack next to the caret. So the caret has to be popped off the stack to the output because of our rules. So this caret that we see here will now be popped off in front of this D. But once we do that, we now have a multiplication and division, which are the same priority, which we also cannot do, one of our rules. So we'll have to pop off what was already on the stack, which was multiplication. So multiplication gets popped as well. So it should be just a division is going to go on our stack because we pop these two off. I just explained why. So now our output is ABC minus D, and we popped off our caret because we had to because division was lower, and we popped off our multiplication because you can't keep two of the same precedence levels tokens on the stack at the same time. And the next and final thing we have is an F, and then we're going to have our stacks now empty. And then the last we have is ABC minus D caret F. And this is our last thing that we have. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Also, this is my final postfix expression right here. Thank you.